Stop wasting your valuable time with loser. What I mean is, these are people that are negative, that are toxic. I mean, when you see them, all they talk about is the bad news. All they do is they talk about drama, right? Has nothing to do with your goals and your future and your dreams of where you want to be. You need to cut these people off. They are dangerous and they are lethal. They are the one that's going to hold you, man, and trap you where you're at right now. I'm not telling you to cut your friends and family off completely, but what I need you to do is I need you to distance, right? Create a distance. Maybe once a month, twice a month, but not every weekend, not every day. You see, and then when you get together with them, all they do is talk about the plan, but they're not executing on the plan. The execution is what matters. Right? It's what matters. Too many people talk and not enough people do. You gotta separate yourself from the rest if you wanna be the best. You gotta hang out with the best, man. Okay? So this video is just to remind you to always value your time, because if you don't, then someone is gonna take it away. And they don't value your time. And they're just wasting your time, your precious time. Dude, rich people, right? Successful people, we are willing to sacrifice our short-term pleasure for our long-term gain, because we knew what we're sacrificing today will be worth it for the future. But the broke people, they don't understand that. And they want you to be just like them. So watch out. Anyways, you guys, take care, take massive actions, keep your goals and your dreams in front of you, look at it every single day, and don't let anybody or anyone hold you back from accomplishing it. Take care, you guys. I'll see you at the top. Ciao.